In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to find your Stripe API keys. These keys are essential for integrating payment processing into your applications, websites, or services. Understanding how to locate and utilize these keys is a crucial step in setting up secure and effective payment processing systems. Let's walk through the process together. First, you need to sign in to the Stripe dashboard. Visit the Stripe website and enter your account credentials to access the dashboard. This online interface is your hub for managing all Stripe-related activities, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Developers. This is where you'll find the necessary tools and information for working with Stripe's extensive API capabilities. Click on Developers and then select API Keys from the drop-down menu. Now you're in the API Keys section. You'll see two primary categories of keys displayed here: Test Mode and Live Mode. These represent the environments you'll be working within while developing and deploying your payment processing functionalities. In the Test Mode environment, you'll find two primary keys: the publishable key and the secret key. The publishable key, often denoted as PKE, is visible and copyable at any time. This key is used in your front-end code. It's designed to be safe for public-facing uses, like embedding within your website's HTML or JavaScript for initial transaction setups. The secret key, on the other hand, is more sensitive and initially hidden. You'll need to click on Reveal Test Key to view and copy it. This key, denoted as SK, should be kept confidential and is intended for server-side use. By using this secret key on your server, you ensure that your API calls are made securely and privately, away from prying eyes. Switching over to Live Mode is relatively straightforward. With Live Mode, the publishable key behaves similarly to that in Test Mode, visible and ready for copying. However, the secret key is more restricted when it comes to access. It is only revealed once when created, so you need to copy and store it safely as soon as you generate it. Failing to do so might require you to regenerate the key if needed later. Remember, the publishable key is suitable for scenarios where the public may intercept it, as it doesn't compromise your application's integrity. Conversely, always keep the secret key secure and away from any client-side code to prevent unauthorized transactions. That concludes our walkthrough of where to find your Stripe API keys. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to integrate Stripe into your projects effectively and securely. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or feedback.